How to create new folder in Yahoo Mail. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now to create a new folder, tap on the inbox option. Now scroll down and here you're going to find the folders option. Below you can find the create new folder option. Tap on that. Now the first thing you want to do is create a folder name. Once you have typed in the name, tap on OK. Once you do that, your new folder has been created. Tap on inbox to find that folder. Now you can easily move your mails to this folder. To do so, you want to open up an email that you want to move. Then tap on the move option at the bottom. Then you're going to find the name of your new folder here. Tap on it. Once you do that, this mail is now going to be moved to your new folder, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.